Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. Here in my hand I have the latest offering from Huawei in the premium mid-range market, and this is the Huawei Nova 3. Not the 3i, this is the Nova 3. Yes, this time around Huawei is gonna be launching two mid-range devices, and the Nova 3 is gonna be the more premium version. I also have the Huawei Nova 3i in the studio. Look out in my channel for the video dropping on that very soon. First off, let's have a look at the specifications of the Huawei Nova 3. The Nova 3 packs a 6.3-inch display, but the body size is still similar to the Nova 2i. So the bezels have shrunken down, a notch is there, and this device has a PPI of 409. The Nova 3 also has 6GB of RAM and 128GB ROM. What's powering the Nova 3 is the Kirin 970 that we saw on the Huawei P20 Pro. So we have a flagship level chip on this premium mid-ranger. Just like with the Nova 2i last year, even this time with the Nova 3, it packs 4 cameras. So at the back there is a 16 megapixel as well as a 24 megapixel camera, and at the front there is a 24 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. Talking about the battery, it has a 3750 mAh battery with fast charging. All of this is powered by Android 8.1 Oreo along with EMUI 8.2. Talking about the design of the Nova 3, it has been inspired by the P20 Pro with the notch, and it has a couple of new sensors including a IR sensor for improved low light face unlock capabilities. At the bottom we have a headphone jack, a USB-C port and the speak output. On the right hand side we have the power button as well as the volume rockers. On the left hand side we have the SIM tray, and up top we have a noise cancellation microphone. At the back we have dual rear facing cameras along with a flasher and a fingerprint scanner. At the front we have a notch with a couple of sensors and dual front facing cameras. The Nova 3 also has curved glass at the back, and it feels great to hold this device in my hand. Just like most other recent smartphones, the Nova 3 also has a metal and glass design, so you have to be extra careful when you're using this device and be aware of all the fingerprints. One sad thing about the Nova 3, however, is that it's not IP certified. But what's cool is it has fast charging. We have a lot to talk about the Huawei Nova 3, and the Nova 3 is actually a lot AI centric, just like the P20 Pro. I will definitely be sure to make some dedicated videos to go in detail into all of this. So go and drop a comment down below right now and let me know what videos you guys want to see featuring the Nova 3 series. Oh, and I think the best part about the Nova 3 is the awesome color. This is exactly the same color that we got with the P20 Pro, and it is making a return. So the iris purple color will be available for the Nova 3 along with black color and a red color option. So it's definitely gonna be awesome. I have actually been using the Nova 3 for around 2 weeks now, but I'm still not ready for my full review. I will compile all the stats, put this device through the paces, and bring you guys the full video review of the Huawei Nova 3 to let you guys know whether this device is worth it or not. So definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and stay tuned to Andro Dollar to know whether this device is actually gonna be worth it. Well guys, those are my initial impressions of the Huawei Nova 3. The Huawei Nova 3 is gonna be priced at 79,900 Sri Lankan rupees. So I will have links to where you can purchase the Nova 3 down below in the description as well. Definitely follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. That's where you can see all the behind the scenes and updates along with camera samples right from these devices as I'm testing them. So definitely go ahead and do that. I will have links for all of that down below in the description. While you're at it, definitely go ahead and drop a comment down below right now letting me know what your most favorite feature of the Nova 3 is. Well guys, with all of that out of the way, stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. And until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.